There's been a huge amount of hard work to bring this iconic vehicle to life, and I'm confident that it's going to play its part in transforming the cityscape of our capital city, Edinburgh. Lothian will expect nothing but outstanding service and quality from us, and our commitment is to deliver exactly that.
It's a really proud moment to be here today, and what we've done here in 6 months, what you've done, every single one of you stood on this shop floor. We're bringing to the market a new bus product, not just for Scotland, but for the UK market. You should all be very, very happy yourselves.